As you are watching it, let me promise you, you won't be disappointed with the solution of this question. An interesting question. It was asked in US Maths Olympiad. And what makes this interesting question is that LHS is a complicated irrational number, which is rewritten down as simplified irrational number. So here algebra used is also simple. So let's start by assuming the LHS term is y. So we are getting y is 3 times of cube root of cube root 2 minus 1. And to get rid of cube root, we'll cube on both the sides. So when we do cube on both sides, we get y cube is 27 times of cube root 2 minus 1. And if we have to get rid of this cube root, then of course we'll have to do is cubing. Now to get the cube, we use the identity a cube minus b cube is a minus b times a square plus b square plus ab. So here if we'll see, we have got a, that's cube root 2, we have got b, that is 1. So what is required is we have a minus b. So we'll multiply and divide by a square plus b square plus ab. So here this will be a square is cube root 2 square plus ab is cube root 2 times 1 plus b square. And we'll divide by the same term in the denominator. Now the numerator, if we look carefully, so this is a minus b, a square, b square and ab. So on multiplying, the numerator will become, so y cube is 27 times cube root 2 cube, that's a cube minus b cube. And denominator is cube root 4 plus cube root 2 plus 1. Now here again, cube root 2 cube is 2 and 1 cube is 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So your numerator left is 27 times 1 or 27 and denominator. So denominator will be same cube root 4 plus cube root 2 plus 1. Now here is the interesting step in the solution, that is we'll multiply and we'll divide both numerator and denominator by 3. So we are multiplying with 3 the numerator part and the denominator part. So each term will get multiplied by 3 in the denominator. And this 3 in the last, I am writing it as 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. Now let's rewrite this. So we are having y cube is 27 times 3. And now this 2, we are writing it as cube root 2 cube. And we'll see why we are doing this. This is cube root 2 cube plus 3 times of cube root 2 square plus 3 times of cube root 2 plus 1. And yes, you are making it correctly. We'll be using here the identity that x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole cube. So here solving it, we'll get y cube is 27 times 3 upon cube root 2 plus 1 cube. So taking cube root on both the sides, so we'll get cube root 3 of y cube, that's y is 27 cube, sorry, third root of 27, that is 3 times cube root 3, and denominator will become cube root 2 plus 1. Still there is a lot to simplify here. Now I want to rationalize the denominator here. So to rationalize the denominator, we have got a plus b is there. And what we need here is to multiply numerator and denominator by a square plus b square minus ab. So here we'll be using the algebraic identity, that is a cube plus b cube. That is a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So this is available to us. We are multiplying and dividing by this term here. So let's multiply by, this is a square minus ab and plus b square. Let's divide by same thing. That is a square minus ab plus b square. So denominator will apply the identity. It will become a cube plus b cube. So let's see what we are getting here. So y is 3 times of cube root 3 times cube root 4 minus cube root 2 plus 1 upon. So a square cube root a cube, cube root 2 cube, that is 2. And b cube, 1 cube is 1. So 2 plus 1, that's 3. And numerator and denominator 3 will get cancelled down. And we are left with y is cube root of 12 minus cube root of 6 plus cube root of 3. Now if we'll compare with the original result, so originally in the question it was given that y is cube root a plus cube root b minus cube root c. So when you compare it, you will get a as 12, b is 3, and c is minus 6. And we had to find a plus b plus c. So that's coming out to be 9. And that's our answer. I hope you enjoyed the solution. I will see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye-bye.